Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into a topic that's both fascinating and sobering. The top 10 most dangerous cities in the world. From crime rates to safety concerns, these cities have earned their reputations for being places where caution is paramount. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Kicking off our list is Ciudad Juarez, located on the US-Mexico border. Despite recent efforts to combat crime, it still faces challenges with drug cartels and violence. Next up is Caracas, Venezuela, plagued by political instability and one of the highest murder rates in the world. Street crime and gang violence are significant concerns here. Cape Town, known for its stunning landscapes, also has a dark side. High rates of poverty contribute to crime, particularly in certain areas of the city. Ranked as one of the most violent cities outside of a war zone, San Pedro Sula experiences high levels of gang-related violence and drug trafficking. Rio de Janeiro, famous for its carnival and beautiful beaches, also struggles with crime. Favelas, or slums, are particularly affected by violence and drug-related crime. Tijuana, another city on the US-Mexico border, faces similar challenges as Ciudad Juarez. Drug cartels and organized crime contribute to its high crime rates. Back to Venezuela, Ciudad Bolivar ranks high for homicides and other crimes. Economic struggles and political unrest exacerbate the situation here. Acapulco, once a glamorous resort town, has seen a rise in violence in recent years. Drug cartels and organized crime have made it one of Mexico's most dangerous cities. Moving to Asia, Karachi is known for its bustling streets but also for its high crime rates. Extortion, kidnapping, and sectarian violence are among the concerns here. Topping our list is Detroit, Michigan, known for its economic struggles and high rates of violent crime. Despite efforts to revitalize the city, crime remains a significant issue. And there you have it, our list of the top 10 most dangerous cities in the world. While these cities face various challenges, it's essential to remember that every place has its unique qualities and strengths. What are your thoughts on this list? Do you live in or have you visited any of these cities? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and share it with your friends to spread awareness above.